5 games of hoops on a Tuesday. This is the one and only Top 10 on NBA.com at number 10. Are you a Pelicant or a Pelican? Anthony Davis is the Pelican. In fact, just throwing this out there, is he the best player in the entire league so far this year? Nice end-to-end action from the brow. To DC for number 9, John Wall flat busting through a flock of Hawk defenders and finishing off there strong. Watch him go in amongst the defense and put that one in gently at number 9. At 8, this is why power forward shouldn't guard boogie down low. Weight room, Ryan Anderson. DeMarcus has got this reverse jam right around Ryan Anderson. That's a strong right hand from DeMarcus at number 8. To number 7, and my man Kirk Hinrich suffering a sprained ego on this play. Ty Lawson breaking ankles, and hooray for Timofey Mozgov on the good end of this highlight. He finishes off the play as Ty and Timofey combine at number 7. Down to Miami for number 6, where Mario's making a mixtape here. Chalmers goes wraparound to Luol Deng on the other end, and yeah, there it is one more time. Draymond, where did the ball go? Sweet stuff from Mario Chalmers and Luol Deng. That's easy pickings on the other end at number 6. Back to Denver for number 5, where we check in with the G unit. Alonzo goes baseline, then he goes skyline for the big jam. Watch, and I always wanted to say this, freeze it right there, and Alonzo G up and throwing it down. So dreams do come true at NBA.com. On to number 4. Oh dear, it's a new era in Milwaukee. The dynamic duo of Jabari and Antetokounmpo. Look at the pass. And then look at the lefty slam. The Bucks are back, and they are flying to the rack. That's wonderfully done at number 4. Let's get some D in from Denver with Darrell at number 3. Arthur authors this beautiful swat on Jimmy Butler, crushing that one out of bounds. That's good for number 3. At number 2, same game, different team. Nice block by Drummond, and he's on his horse. Don't do it, Bucks. Don't you do it. They forgot about Dre. Andre Drummond, end-to-end action, gets the block on one side and flies to the other end and finishes. But at number 1, half-manimal, half-man amazing. Kenneth is freed from the laws of gravity, and Nate Robinson's gone flat mad on the sidelines. That's beautiful stuff. The big man flying high, Kenneth Faried, is number 1 on the NBA.com Top 10.